Hello everyone, this is Pooja Roy and welcome to my channel Online Shiksha Diksha. Today's video I'm going to talk about tips for spending quality time with a child to build strong bonds. Yes, I'm your mentor and an educator. I used to make this type of videos, the parenting videos and the educational videos for you and for your children both. For more such videos, you're requested to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and don't forget to like and comment. Today, in this busy schedule, we know very well it's very important to spend time with the children. Even we have to face and we know the reality that life is quite busy. Between work and life responsibilities, the day passes by in the blink of an eye. Many parents worry that they don't spend enough time with the children, wondering if this will lead to developmental delay. Some parents feel guilty about working full time or experience anxiety about choosing to work out at the gym or on the dinner with friends. Social media posts from stay at home parents who are able to take their children at the zoo or spend time with them with colors and teaching them alphabets and all. This actually creates an anxiety for us. But have no despair. A recent study in the Journal of Marriage and Family questions the impact the amount of time parents spend with their children has on the academic achievement, behavior, and emotional well being of the children. Quality of time is much more important than the quantity of time. Children need high quality time with the parents and their gifts and the kind of caregivers. That is what is most important and beneficial to children and what can have a positive effect on them as they grow. Building strong bonds with a child is essential for their emotional well-being and development. Quality time fosters trust, open communication, and mutual respect. Engaging in shared activities, listening actively, and supporting their interest creates lasting memories and a secure, loving relationship that benefits both parent and child. Here I am with a number of tips which is going to create a good bonding with your children. The first we have is active listening. Engage in conversations with your child, giving them your full attention. Active listening shows that you value their thoughts and feelings, fostering trust and open communication. Shared activities. Participate in the activities that both you and your child can enjoy together. This could be anything from playing sports, cooking together, or engaging in a hobby. Shared experiences create lasting memories and strengthen your bond. Consistent quality time. Make it a priority to spend regular dedicated time with your child. Consistency helps in building a sense of security and importance in your relationship. Learning together. Explore new interests and learn together. Whether it's a new language, a musical instrument, or a science project, shared learning experience can be both educational and bonding. Outdoor adventures. Spend time outdoors, whether it is hiking, biking, or simply walking in the park. Nature provides a refreshing backdrop for meaningful conversation and shared adventures. Family traditions. Establish and maintain family traditions. These can be simple, like a weekly game night or a yearly vacation. Traditions create a sense of belonging and continuity. Creative expression. Encourage and participate in creative activities like drawing, painting, and storytelling. Creative expression can be a fun way to connect and understand each other better. Support their interest. Show interest in your child's hobbies and passions. Attend their games, recitals, or exhibitions. Your support and encouragement mean a lot to strengthen your bonding and your connection. Emotional support. Be there for your child during challenging times. Offering a shoulder to lean on and providing emotional support builds a deep sense of trust and reliability. Unplug and focus. Set aside time where you and your child both can unplug from electronic devices. This undistracted time together allows for genuine interaction and reinforces the importance of your relationship. Meaningful connections are about quality of time and not quantity of time. Keep it simple and connect with your child in ways that make sense for your lifestyle and relationship. Each connection has a lasting impact and provides the support and reassurance that your child needs. Dear viewers, I have shared a number of tips with you. Even not all, but if you follow 4 to 5 of it, you are going to really have a very good foundation with your children. You're requested to please follow it so that you're having a very long lasting relationship. And if you really like my video, you're requested to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and don't forget to give the comment. I'll be waiting for your comment. Thank you so much.